Every moment is filled with worry for Emma, mother to a teenager who's among thousands of children waiting for specialist treatment for an eating disorder. Emma's daughter, who we won't name in order to protect her identity, is in a children's hospital, but she's not getting the complete care she needs.
At the moment, she's not with people that are trained to deal with mental health, and she's stuck in a room all the time. She's not getting to engage in activities with other children. She doesn't really do much. She's not allowed out of the building. I just think she's getting worse in there.
NHS data on eating disorders shows a fourfold increase in the number of children and young people waiting for urgent care.
If you're not getting that special input and people who understand how the eating disorder can really start to affect someone's mental health, then generally it's likely that it could deteriorate. They're not getting the right treatment, so they're not getting the people that can support them to really start to fight that voice in someone's head.
NHS England says it's investing in mental health through things like increased funding and the introduction of helplines. A spokesperson told us, thanks to the NHS long-term plan, an additional 345,000 children and young people each year will get help with their mental health and well-being, and £40 million has also been invested in additional inpatient beds. So if you are struggling or have a child who needs help, please continue to come forward to get the care you or they need.
So that's her in the hospital?
Yeah.
Emma says this hasn't worked. Now in her 4th month of waiting, her daughter, she says, makes 2 attempts every day to run away from hospital. Last week she was found 3 miles away.
She just wanted to get away. She got really scared. She was sat in a field for like an hour, and this was after she was crying and hugging me. She was saying, "Mum, I were really scared. I never thought I'd see you ever again. I was sat in this field and it was pitch black."
The hospital told us its clinical teams are trying to provide the best care possible and that it's working with the NHS to help secure a suitable place for Emma's daughter's care. But she says the longer her child has to wait, the more her condition worsens. Sadia Chowdhury, Sky News in Sheffield.